Hello valpals. Today I am packing my suitcase with things I stole from my mom's makeup. So I'm visiting my parents and my mom had me help clean out her makeup. And she has a lot of just like unopened product that she says she doesn't use anymore and I can just take whatever I want. So I've got like 2 full boxes here and I'm excited. I gotta pack it all nice. I gotta make sure that things don't break in the moving of my suitcase. We've got a big boy right here and this is gonna be fun. Free stuff is always fun. So I am risking it a little bit because I'm gonna be honest, my mom buys like a lot of things like over time and just like doesn't end up trying a lot of it. So I'm not sure just like how old certain things are, but it just feels so wasteful when something's like not even open. So even if it's old, like I'm gonna try it out anyway. I'm sure it's not gonna kill me. I'll just be sacrificing my skin sometimes if the product is really expired, but I don't care. We'll get to it when we get to it. They're not even open, so there shouldn't be like any bad germs and whatnot inside, so we'll see. The first thing I'm starting out with, this already has a case, and these are Victoria's Secret perfumes. Oh, I opened it the wrong way. Tempting Treasures. But it's just like a case full of perfumes. My mom says she doesn't use it, so I'm taking it with me. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I bought this $35 Prada perfume and I brought it with me to Germany and it broke in my suitcase. I had that thing like packed so well. It like made it the trip to Germany. It was on the way back. It shattered. And I was really sad because I actually really like the smell of that one. But I'm sure some of these smell really good. I haven't actually like smelled them yet, but the bottles look really pretty. I'm sure they're good. The next thing we have are some like cotton toner pads. Some of this stuff is like really cool. They're like whole sets that are unopened. This whole set unopened. So I might as well. Like the worst case is it's expired. So most of this first box are like all sets. This is like Skin Better Science, and it's just got like a bunch of Skin Better Science products in here. Like all new in the box. Like neck perfecting cream and overnight cream. It's like a little set, and the bag is really cute, so if my mom's not gonna use it, I'm gonna use it. This is like so cute, so perfect. I've also been getting like crazy into skincare. I wasn't super concerned about skincare until I started getting like this year, because I couldn't really see the most visible signs of aging when I was around like 18. But now that I'm in my late 20s, I can like notice signs of aging, so I've been like really obsessed with skincare. And then there's a whole bag of Innis. It's got body lotion, shower gel, hand cream, and a perfume. Super nice. I'm so scared of all of this like breaking. And we've also got another bag of Skin Better Science. So I think this stuff my mom did use. I really like this bag, so I'm gonna take it anyway. Another set. Elemis, and this bag is literally adorable. When in doubt, even if everything's too old, at least I have really cute bags. lot of stuff in here, like night creams and marine masks and collagen cleansing balm. I actually feel like I got this when I was in Palm Springs, but then it somehow ended up in my mom's stuff. Absolute eye serum. Definitely gonna use. Okay. Good. Good. I feel like I went on a little shopping spree. But it's all free. Oh, and I had like a few Clinique things too. Like, there's this Refresh in 5 face spray, moisturizer, exfoliator, all about eyes, take the day off cleansing balm. Another Clinique set, just not opened. This one has makeup remover and I'm really excited about that. Tarte set. This one's also probably like super old because I feel like I remember buying this with my mom. I don't think this shade's gonna match me. I have very, very fair skin and my mom has darker skin than me. So a lot of the stuff she buys are like shades I could like never wear. Cause she's also like, I don't know if she actually is a warm tone, but I know she wears a lot of warm tone makeup. So I can still probably use little like lippy and whatnot in this. Oh, and I got little face masks. More face masks. Even more face masks. Ooh, this one just looks cute. It's just body oil from Elemis. I remember using these products when I was younger and they're actually like pretty good. I had like a really, really bad breakout and before I was able to see a dermatologist, I started using these stuff and like definitely helped. Not like this product in specific, but the brand. Another face mask. Okay, lash bond. I'm gonna put some of the smaller stuff in here because I've got like waterproof eye makeup remover. I've got a lip sleeping mask. This is in a box, so this is probably fine. Age defying eye butter. Because I found 2 of these like really small eye makeup brushes that I didn't have. So I'm gonna take it. Okay, there's 1 box emptied. Let me show you what the suitcase is looking like. Okay, this is the first layer. I am going to cover it. And we've got box number 2. So a lot of the stuff in box number 2 is very much like on their own products. So I feel like I'm gonna need to use a lot of bags and maybe these like little boxes. Bare Minerals lip gloss. It's a cute little pinky color. Neutrogena lip gloss. I was really excited about this because I was actually gonna just buy it and my mom just had the Laneige lip sleeping mask and I'm like, this is perfect. Ah, I'm so excited about this. We have more of the Elemis Absolute Eye Serum. We've got samples of eye treatment. Oh my gosh, that was the other thing is like I have so many samples. Like I've got a Chanel serum sample, like, I don't know. I do have a few things like this where I can tell like they've been opened. So I'm not like totally sure if like they're gonna be too old and like not good for my skin, but I still wanna try it anyway. I'll try like 1 product per day and then like if it irritates my skin at all, obviously I'll throw it out. But yeah, got little serums like this. Oh, we have 2 serums from Revolution. Skin Clinical, Neck Perfect. Oh my god, and my mom just had like 20 of these. They're like Bare Mineral, Multi-Repair, Multi-Wrinkle Repair. I can't even open it. Okay, well, I've got like 6 of these. Gliderm Intense C Serum PM. Yes. Too Faced Maximum Lip Injection. And I feel like these colors are so me. I don't know, they're so cute, so cute. Look at this. Beautiful. We have another eye cream. Oh, yes. I've needed these, and my mom had a few of these, just makeup dissolvers. Collagen Repair. As you can tell, there's a lot of like product for wrinkles, and I have like, okay, I'm wearing makeup and I'm on camera so you can't really see it, but in person I have a lot of like eye wrinkles and like wrinkles around my smile lines. That's about it. But my mom has a lot of like under eye products, and I'm really excited about that. So while I was cleaning, my mom doesn't have any like rugs down or anything yet. So I was on my knees a lot, and they've got this like marble flooring, and I took one of my parents' dog beds and I laid it on the floor so that my knees and my ankles wouldn't hurt. But I felt so weird doing that. Ooh, Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. This one is definitely opened, but I think I can clean up the cap and make it work. This looks cute. Ooh, these were really cute. Elemis Cellular Recovery Skin Bliss Capsules. There's these little oil capsules inside. I think they're oil. Yeah. Day and night antioxidant facial oils. It looks really cute. If I can get it out of the picture. She had a little lash boost. I've never heard of this brand. Rodon and Fields. I don't know. Hand cream, because like, I don't know. I've just wanted to start using moisturizers more. So, brand new, still in the packaging eyeliner. It's just Revlon. I said previously like a lot of this stuff might be old. So my mom did have like a brand new eyeliner that I opened to use this weekend. This is what I got on right now. It was like the tip was very, very dried out. Like I ended up, so like there was still product in it, but it wouldn't reach like the very tip of the eyeliner. So I cut off the very tip and then I ran it underwater. Thinking back, I probably should have just ran it underwater first, because then I feel like I don't fully know if the tip would have worked. But I cut off the tip, ran it underwater, and then like it still works perfectly fine. More peel off face masks. I've been wanting to try that like double cleansing hack where you cleanse with the face oil and then cleanse with your normal cleanser. I have really, really oily skin, so I feel like this will help. But look at this. Elemis cleansing oil. Exactly what I needed. Also, when I was talking to my mom, we were originally planning to go to Sephora, and I was gonna make like a little shopping vlog because I needed some stuff. I hated the eyeliner that I was using previously. I wanted a liquid eyeliner. Toner from Elemis. But I wanted a liquid eyeliner, and there were a few things that I just like needed for my makeup to make it better. I wanted like a primer, like a base primer. Everything that I wanted to get from Sephora, my mom just like has in her makeup. And so I think the primer that I got, it's from the brand Milk, but I do think it's like a little old. But I tried it, even though it's like a little old. Still works perfectly fine. I don't know. Lip vitamins. Here we go. Here we go. This is just a little makeup mirror. Like, I figured I would like to have one of these in my purse. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I have fake lashes, but I get stuff stuck in my eyes all the time. And you know when you've got something in your eyeball and you try to use your phone as a mirror, the phone, it does not pick up what's in your eyeball. And I have to wait until I get to a bathroom mirror to see what's in my freaking eyeball. And so, you know, I figured this would just be nice for the next time I get one of my cat hairs stuck in my eyeball. You know, I can fix it right then and there, and I'm not in pain. L'Oreal Youth Code, Youth Regeneration Skincare. Okay, see, this is another pore eraser, basically a primer. So I'm happy about that. This is just a little Nivea lip care, another peel off mask. Girls' night when I get back is gonna go crazy. Okay, this is how I know my boyfriend is like totally in love with me. I asked him for National Girlfriend's Day if he could set up my makeup desk. That like just arrived. It arrived while I was gone. It took him like 6 hours to set up. Like it was a really, really long process. Even some of the reviews said it took them like 6 hours. And this man did not complain at all. He was like so happy for me setting it up, and I'm like, that's when you know someone loves you. Like, I've been with guys before that'll complain about everything, like any like favor that they do for you, and it's like just say you don't like me. Like, I don't know. Okay. This I feel like this is not gonna be my color at all, but it's in the package. I wanted to try it. It's just a BB cream in the shade Light. I mean, but I feel like Light and Porcelain might be different. I feel like I'm usually Porcelain, but we'll see. More LMS stuff. This is an enzyme peel. I think you're only supposed to do this like once or twice a week. I have everything like decently packed in here tight. I'm sure it's gonna like shift a little, but I feel like nothing at least will get damaged or break open. I'm just gonna like fold all these and throw it in the suitcase. Box number 2. Texture Perfector, another Youth Code serum. I've got these little face mask pods from Beauty 360. So Michael Todd Lemon Tea Tree Skin Perfecting Serum. When I was growing up, I used to use a lot of Michael Todd products actually. They felt really nice. Pure Honey Face Mask. Michael Todd Facelift Serum. Beauty 360 Rapid Reduction Serum for wrinkles. Oh, this was really cute. It's just like a little Tom Ford perfume. Of more lip injection, Too Faced. Sephora Mud Mask. I also think this wasn't, yeah, not opened. A L'Oreal Revitalift Volume Filler. I packaged it pretty good. Facial bar roller. I've never tried one of these, but it looks really cute. It's this massage ball, Himalayan salts. Like, you can put it in the microwave, or I just got the mini fridge. You can put it in the mini fridge, and then I think you just massage, really. For the fun stuff, my favorites that I found, YSL lipsticks. There's 4 of these beauties. They're so cute. They're all kind of like different shades of red. I don't normally wear red, but I feel like with the dark hair now, it'll look cute. Got the next one. So this one did like break a wee bit. I think it is salvageable. Last 2. I'm not packing these up, I'm just putting these straight in my makeup bag. Another reddish color, and this one's probably more of a mauve. So this is the final. I might shove some little towels in between, and then we're good.